allowance, allowance. Small money that parents give to children. Examples: my parents give me a weekly allowance. She uses her allowance to buy candy. My allowance is $5 a day. Wage, wage. Money you earn per hour of work. Examples: my hourly wage is $15. He wants a higher hourly wage. Students often get jobs with hourly wages. Salary, salary. Money you earn regularly, usually monthly. Examples: her monthly salary is $1,500. I get my salary at the end of the month. He has a good salary as a doctor. Commission, commission. Money earned for selling something. Examples: she gets a commission on every house she sells. The company gives 5% commission. He made $300 in commission last week. Loan, loan. Money you borrow from a bank or person. Examples: I got a loan to buy a car. She needs a loan for her studies. My loan is too big for me. Fine, fine. Money you pay when you break a rule or law. Examples: he paid a fine for parking in the wrong place. I got a fine for driving too fast. I paid a fine for returning the book late. Tuition, tuition. Money paid for education. Examples: I need to save for tuition. College tuition is very expensive. He got a loan to cover his tuition. Bribe, bribe. Money you give illegally to get help or favor. Examples: he gave a bribe to the officer. He went to jail for giving a bribe. She refused to take a bribe. Pension, pension. Money older people get after retirement. Examples: my grandfather gets a pension every month. He lives on his pension now. He worked 40 years for his pension. Compensation, compensation. Money you receive for loss or damage. Examples: She got compensation after the accident. The company paid compensation to workers. He asked for fair compensation. Fee. Fee. Money you pay for a service, activity, or to use something. Examples: I have to pay a bus fee every day. The school fee is due next week. We paid the entrance fee to see the museum. Donation. Donation. Money you give to help people or an organization. Examples: we gave a donation to the church. She made a small donation to the school. They collect donations for poor children. Deposit. Deposit. Money you pay in advance to reserve something. Examples: the hotel needs a $50 deposit. He gave a deposit for the car. I need a deposit before you move in.